Well, got me another piece of wire. Well, let's hunt. Got some treasure trash. Another chunk of brass. Well, let's hunt. There you go. There's some treasure trash. There's an aluminum mini bottle cap. That's those mini. Mini bottles. Let's. Don't know what that is, but part of the frame of something. And I do know that it's treasure trash. Not lead. Let's hunt. There's another piece of treasure trash. Piece of heavy duty wire. Not quite a nail. Let's hunt. There's a sawed off piece of hardware. A nut with sawed off bolt. Let's hunt. There you go. There's some treasure trash. Looks like a piece of copper. Always take copper. Let's hunt. There you go again. Another chunk of aluminum. Alright. Treasure trash. Let's hunt. There you go. Got a drink cap. Aluminum drink cap. Let's hunt. Got some surface finds. Getting around to it, found these traps. Nice. That's hunt. Getting around to it, found a bright and shiny. That's hunt. Yeah, getting around to it, found it. Here, Benji. Somebody's got their hair down. That's hunt. There's something else on the surface. Getting around to it, found a piece of a clamp off of some kind of little box or something. Let's hunt. Getting around to it, found more ammo for my wristband when I find it. Let's hunt. There we go. Getting around to it, found a hinge. A Duplo hinge. Pretty cool. Let's hunt.